Hello viewers, this is Ekpeye God Knows from Ekpeye TV Medan. We are live and direct in Odiereke Community, the hometown of late Flight Lieutenant Robinson Ekpeye II. We are calling on the federal government, state government, and Ahoada West local government to come to the aid of Odiereke community because the flood has taken over everywhere. So we are calling on the behalf of the community and well-meaning citizens of Ekpeye to come to our aid.
Yeah, this is the Odiereke Market Square. So it's flooded and the government has not done anything yet. Ahoada West local government have not come to this community to do anything. And they are calling on the government to come to their aid. The community are suffering because of the flood.
Yes, we are suffering.
Hello viewers, as you all can see, this is Odiereke Community Women Hall. It's flooded and the local government and the state government and federal government have done nothing about it. We are calling on the LGA's chairman, River State Council. This is the primary health of Odiereke community, the community of the late Flight Lieutenant His Royal Majesty Robinson. Thank you. We are calling on the government to come and rescue them in this mess.